Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I turned off the gyro completely. Surprisingly, it just become smoother but much more difficult to control. But you can do aerobatic. This 1S battery is kind of giving me a lot of flight time, man. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here, and welcome to world's most dangerous RC airport. Today in this video I have got the Eachine Volantex RC F16 pusher jet. Now it came ready to fly, and with that, I'm sorry, really crappy El Cheapo Volantex RC radio, and I really don't like it. I have like plenty of those radios. I want to trash them. So it came RTF with that, and I immediately trashed the radio because I want to fly this with my Radio Master TX16S because it binds just super easy to all Volantex RC Eachine airplanes, and you can actually tweak it the way you want. On V971 protocol, it binds just fine with these mini airplanes, and it works the way you want, and you can set your plan and tweak your plan, the settings the way you want. Now, the only thing I have set up today is the gyro on-off control, because this is a built-in gyro, okay? And auto aerobatic I didn't set up, and one of the most useless feature that one can ever bother to imagine and put in these planes, one-click return to opposite direction of takeoff, which never brings the plane back to you. In fact, I didn't use that as usual. So let's just fly it and see how things go. So my radio is on, and I'm gonna power on the airplane, and it binds immediately. I don't have to hit the bind button in there. I don't know why people say that. Whoever actually, you know, watched my video of how to set up the Volantex RC planes with Radio Master TX16S, they all complain that, you know, the plane, after they turn on the plane, they have to bind. Always bind again and again. Every time they turn the plane on, they have to bind. I have no idea why. Mine actually works just perfectly right after turning off. Gyro on, gyro off. Done. Let's fly and see if it is going to make us happy or disappoint us. Here we go. Oh wow, that is a very big turn, but it's flying pretty stable. Now do remember that this is not your other kind of RC airplane which can fly slow. It's a jet. And just like Eachine Volantex RC F22 pusher jet, you have to keep certain speed on this bird as well, because if you put the speed down, it is going to crash. The gyro will try to compensate, but it will stall and crash. So let me just try to land and see how it lands, and then we will give it a try. Throttle 0, nose down, kept a good speed, and it actually landed. Okay, I think they need to do the front landing gear slightly taller so that it has angle of attack, because current landing gear, the angle of attack is kind of nose down, so you have to push a lot of speed before you can actually take off on full elevator. So increasing the nose landing gear height would settle that problem, give it a nice angle of attack to quickly get up in the skies, quickly take off and work the way you want. You don't have to push that much throttle and drain that 1S battery. So I'm trying to fly slow now, and you can see it crashes. Why? Because it will stall, but it's still, the gyro is so nice that it came absolutely very, very stable. Let's do the hand launch, and this time I'll try to turn off the gyro and see how it performs. So now gyro on. That's what I call the baby mode, and it's flying very well. Gyro middle, that means I have more throws on the surfaces. It's hard to see this plane, but now I'm able to make quicker turns, and it's kind of wobbly, like, you know, oscillating movements. Not easy to control. Oscillating movement. And I turned off the gyro completely. Surprisingly, it just become smoother, but much more difficult to control. Much more difficult to control. But you can do aerobatics. Aerobatics. Okay. Oh, right when I was about to crash, I hit the switch for stabilization. So yes, in stabilization mode, it's flying very well. As you can see, it's a little windy for this little plane, but it's actually nice. Not as stable as F-22, but still, it's flying very well. Doing a very good job. Flyable, enjoyable. I mean, you're gonna still have fun and enjoy. If you're an F-16 lover, you're gonna still enjoy the plane. Stable enough, I would say, for me at least. So, landing. Okay, hold on, I missed my touchdown. This 1S battery is kind of giving me a lot of flight time, man. Given that high-speed throttle you have to keep all the time, it's still doing very well. Zero throttle, a little throttle, and beautiful landing right next to me, because I'm lazy and I really don't want to walk too far. So people, here you are. This is the Eachine Volantex RC F16. Does a very good job, flies pretty nice, pretty stable, and you can have fun with it. So if you like F-16s and you want to keep a mini one that actually flies and does a pretty good job, this is right here for you. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button, it's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.